Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the Translate tool within MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. So what I'm going to do here is shift my points in a northing, easting, or elevation direction. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I'm going to head to the plumb bob in the bottom left corner. That's going to open up my main menu where I'm going to click on Calculations and scroll to the bottom of the menu where I'm going to select my Rotate, Translate, Scale tool. I'm then going to click on Apply New User Defined Parameters. It's going to ask me if I want to reset all my previous parameters if I have so done previously. I have made some changes, so I'm going to click on Yes, and then select my Translate tab from my three options here. Now, as I said, I want to shift my points. I can set a point around which I want to make my translation. In my case, I'm going to select point number 17. And what I want to do is I want to do a northing shift. So what I'm going to do is I am going to move my points 1,000 meters to the north, just so we can see a very dramatic shift. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to shift my points 1,000 meters to the north, but I'm also going to shift it at a bearing that is equivalent to the angle between points 1 and 5. And I can also set a distance offset if I so desired. In my case, I'm just going to add a number here for fun. I'm going to add 500 meters. So again, I'm going to go 1,000 meters to the north. I'm going to a direction that is equivalent to the bearing between point 1 and 5 and a distance offset of 500 meters. I'm going to hit OK. If I want to get all of my points, I'm going to add a point range if I only want to add a range of points, or I can add them all. In my case, I know I have less than 100 points, so I'm just going to go 1 through 100. Hit OK. It's going to process all 20 points, and you can see that at my current zoom and view options, I can't see my points anymore because I've moved them out of range. So if I click on my Expand Horizons button, you can see that my points have shifted way down to the north because I've had to zoom way out. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use the Translate tool within MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. And if you have a moment, I please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really just helps out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.